What's up guys, so today I'm gonna discuss with you about the upcoming Benelli bike, which is the Benelli 302S. The all new Benelli 302S is a power pack machine with 300cc twin cylinder 4-stroke 4-valve DOHC engine. So it has a fuel injected liquid cooled system producing a massive power of 38.2 bhp and 26.5 Nm of torque. The top speed can go above 160 on a highway depending on the way you ride it. Talking about brakes, it gives 260mm dual disc in the front and 240mm single disc at the back with standard dual channel ABS, which is switchable. Including a 6-speed gearbox, it has a massive 16 liters of a capacity of a tank with 3 liters of reserve. The front suspension of the bike is inverted while the rear one is preload adjustable. Size of the front tire comes with 120/70 section and the rear one comes with 160/60. Expected mileage on this bike is around 27 km per liter, while some claims that they get around 30 in the highway. I wish. Bike has already been launched in the neighboring country Nepal and is expected to launch in India by the end of 2020. The Benelli 302S is a successor of the all-famous bike Benelli TNT 300, and much parts of the bike and the specifications are similar to the predecessor TNT 300. But what makes this bike unique, modern and much better than the TNT 300 are first of all the headlights. The headlight is all new and differently designed than the previous one. It includes LED lights, which is far better than the halogen, and the light throwing capacity is much more. This is one of the major upgrade in Benelli 302S, which many of the TNT 300 users wanted. Next major upgrade is that all digital instrumental cluster. Finally, Benelli has listened to its users and has included the mileage display and also the gear display. The display is much crisp and easily visible in broad daylight and also during the night time. Other updates which can be seen are new and improved grab rails, a newly designed LED tail light and much more attractive stickerings. No doubt the Benelli has never failed in impressing the customers by the impressive exhaust sound, the reason why most people buy Benelli TNT 300, and with an aftermarket exhaust the sound becomes way impressive. The price is expected above 3 lakhs ex showroom, although the exact price is not confirmed yet, but it's available in Nepal at around 8 lakhs. You may get the bike in 3 new color options, likely the black one, the white one, and the radium green one. The radium green one is new into the section and it looks way better. More colors are even expected from the bike, but until it's launched, it's not sure. The bike is highly expected to be launched in India as it is loved by the people of the countries where the bike has already been launched. And I hope the bike launches soon in the Indian market and bring a revolution in the Indian biking community.